There are two different ways in which to apply the energy cup. The first way is what I like to call the flip-flop method. So this time we are going to take the cup and we are going to first flip it inside out by pressing down on the top of the dome. Then we are going to take our inverted dome and place it over the area that we'd like to treat. So I'm going to place it on her foot, and then I am going to press the edges out so the cup flips back over. To remove the cup, I am simply going to place my pointy finger under the base of the cup, break the suction, and then slowly remove the cup. The second way to apply the energy cup is simply to place the cup over the area that you'd like to treat and press down on the top of the dome. One touch, very, very simple.